Oh, what the heck? That hurt.
Oh, and here's video tutorials either. So that's okay. So there's a boat missing, maybe.
I have no idea.
Now, is there any way to remove the deck that would make it easier?
Removing the deck would make things easier.
Okay. Well, we'll go take
But
a
I'm
look.
going.
Maybe you need to take the deck off and remove it.
Yeah, and then we're going to have to disconnect the blades system.
Oh.
Also.
Okay. All right.
So,
and
I just
about removing that. Well, if you remove it, then you don't know what to attach that thing to.
Well, I don't know what's going on, so yeah. I don't know what's down there or where it's. You see, I'm trying to figure out what part is. I think there's a part missing, but I don't know. Can you see what's going on down there? There we go. I don't know what I'm looking at. There we go. Oh, crap. The only thing I can think of is that